Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Hey guys, welcome to Notary Educators with Kimmi. How's it going? Hey, I'm just sitting here. I just finished walking and I had a few moments before my next appointment. Always take care of yourself. Let me put this off so we won't get disturbed. All right. Hey guys. So today I just wanted to leave a notary tip with you. Okay, this is just a tip. And for those of you who do not know, I'm Kimmi Nunnally, your #1 notary educator in the great state of Georgia. But I teach notaries in all 50 states. And why is that? Because all of your documents are not going to originate in the state that you live in. And if you don't know how to process any piece of paper that comes in front of you, you probably need my mentorship. If you live in Alabama, all your documents are not coming from Alabama. If you live in California, all your documents are not coming from California. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So I'd like to officially welcome you to the Notary Educators channel, podcast, etc. And we look forward to having you in mentorship or some form of training very soon, okay? So let's get into today's tip though. So this tip is always double check your client's documents. So for example, I have a client that needs to come to me today. That's my next appointment. She had a loan modification, okay? And her package was completed. I didn't do the package. I had to refer her out, so someone else did it for me. That little one curl. Somebody else did the package for me. So anyway, what the client did though, and this is what they'll do trying to save money, is they won't give you the whole package or packages. If you're doing loan modifications, they're typically 2 or 3 sets of documents. They won't give you everything because they're trying to save money, and they'll just pull out what they think needs to be notarized. So she forgot to pull out one of the documents. So when someone does that to me, because I'm a pro at this, right, and I know what to look for, I'll always say, hey, can I see the whole package? Can you show me everything that needs to be notarized? And I've had that happen too. People trying to save money. So they'll hand you 1 piece of paper at a time and 2 at a time. That's why your screening questions are so important. If you don't know what those screening questions are, I'm going to give you a couple here, but I've included them in my new journal if you haven't seen it yet. And I talk about them constantly in training because questions equal money. Questions equal money. You heard it here first. I'm sure somebody's bound to try to take it, but whatever. What did they say? When somebody imitates you, that's flattery or whatever. The best flattery or compliment is somebody imitating you. But you heard it here first. I've been saying it for years. Questions equal money. So that's why you have to ask those screening questions. You know, how many documents do you have that need to be notarized? Where is the signing happening? Hey, Shell, what's up? Cheryl says, hey, Kimmi, this is Melissa from Savannah. I'm on my sister's computer. Oh, hey, Melissa, how are you? Good to see you here. What's up? What's up? So, and hi, everybody. Welcome. If you have any questions, you can feel free to drop them. So, yeah, but I wanted to give you that tip today. You have to ask your screening questions because when you do not, it messes up the client also, okay, in the sense that your client needs to get their documents notarized, and then here they have to keep coming back because they didn't pull out all the documents. Again, they sometimes trying to be slick. So you have to press back. They'll say, oh, I have 1 document when they really have 5. I had that happen to me before. I had one guy. He said, oh, I just need something done for my son and daughter. When I got there, it was actually something for his son, daughter, him, and his wife. Okay. So he kept handing me 1 piece of paper at a time. That's when I learned really quick. Oh, no, we don't play that. Pull out everything you need to have notarized right now. Now, we don't say it like that. Hey, Drea. What's up, Drea? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, we don't say it like that, but we mean it like that. I want to see everything you have to have notarized because I'm not playing no games with you. Okay, again, the game that they commonly play is hand you one at a time, trying not to get that price up. So now I want to see everything that needs to be notarized. Okay, so that's what's going on with me today. My next signing is such that again she had her package completed, but she pulled out what needed to be notarized instead of letting the notary look at it. And again, to her defense, actually there is no defense because they're trying to be cheap. So they just fill out, oh, I have two pieces of paper. But see, when they doing a loan modification package or a seller's package, I don't like them to pull out and say, I just need 5 documents notarized. No, I want to facilitate the whole thing. That means let me watch you sign every piece of paper. And I'm going to charge you for that. I'm not going to charge you for 2 notarizations. I'm going to charge you for a seller's package. And that's what they'll try to say, well, this is how the conversation will go. So you heard it here first. You'll do your screening questions with the client. They'll just say, oh, I have 2 documents that need to be notarized. Oh, really? Hey, Nyla, what's up? So that doesn't work for me. My next question is, what type of documents are they? Oh, I'm selling a property. Oh, you're selling a property. So how many documents are in the package? Oh, I just need to have 2 notarized. They're going to push back and tell you that. Nope, I'm going to push back again. Oh, so you have a seller's package? Yes. And I'll say, okay, well, I'll process the whole package. I would like to look at the whole package. You sign it. Oh, I just need 2 documents notarized. Because it never fails. I've had several people try that, and I try to work with them and let them just pull out what they need, but they miss signatures. When they send it back to the signing company, whoever gave it to the mortgage company, lender, whoever, it's not right. It's not right. So I want to make sure that the package is completed because my signature is in there, and I want to make sure it's done completely. So that's my tip for today, okay? Nyla says, I am new to the notary. What is good for beginners to do? So the first thing I recommend you do, Nyla, is get the book that I wrote for your state, okay? What state are you in? And there's a book for that state. Hey, Lori, what's going on with you? Did you get your embosser, Lori? Did you get your embosser? We went to Krispy Kreme today. I'm drinking water. I had coffee earlier. I had see, this sometimes being in these notary streets is not good. So I had breakfast Chick-fil-A. Not good. Well, I did have the grilled egg white. So now I'm still out and about. And big old bug in these streets. I just finished walking. And like I said, my next client is coming. And we stopped for Krispy Kreme. New Jersey. Okay, Nyla. So get the book that I wrote for your state. It comes ebook or paperback, and it is Start Your Notary Business in the state of New Jersey, and it will take you step by step. The reason I like you to start there before you do anything else, don't buy no supplies, don't do nothing, because I want you to have a good overview of what the business is about. It's a very quick read. It's an ebook or, like I said, paperback, and it won't take you but a couple hours. And when you finish that book, you'll say, oh, okay, now I know what I'm getting into. So these are your steps as a new notary. And for anybody that's listening, start with that book, and then from the book, make sure you get your commission. I always like you to have your commission from your state first. A lot of people say, well, Kimmi, I want to start the training ASAP. Well, I don't want you in training and you don't have your commission. Okay? I always compare it to a person having a car, but they don't have a driver's license. So we're not going to do that. I'm not going to recommend that. Do I want you in training? Yes. Do I want you in mentorship? Yes. But I want you to follow the proper steps. I'm all about steps. Okay? You purchase it at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Okay? And go under the book selection. Notary Educators. And scroll down to your state. Okay? On notaryeducatorsllc.com. So yeah, some people, they really want to start training immediately once they find me, and I'm thrilled, I'm tickled, I'm happy you want to do that. But again, I want you to pump the brakes. I want you to get your commission, and then I'm going to be here, God willing. Then you can double back and we will get you trained. Okay? Yes, baby. So Nyla, take your oath and get all of that done, get the book, and then by the time you come back, you can join mentorship. Okay? And then what that looks like is you watch the self-paced courses as you're going through it, make your questions, come to live weekly mentorship. We have it every week. Tomorrow night, we're actually doing mock marketing, okay? Mock marketing. Many of you have problems marketing. I'm going to talk it out with you. We're going to do some scenarios. We're going to run some drills. I'm really excited about that because, that's my jam. So if you're not in mentorship, you're having a problem with marketing, you want to be in the room tomorrow.